Hi guys, in this video you will learn what is proxy chain, why we use this tool, and how to use it. You can use it to follow some simple step. The error you can face during setup, we will fix here. Okay, let's get started. Before move to practical, first we learn about this tool. So what is proxy server? Answer is, a proxy server is a system or router that provides a gateway between users and the internet. Therefore, it helps prevent cyber attackers from entering a private network. It is a server, referred to as an intermediary because it goes between end users and the web pages they visit online. Proxy-chains is a Unix program in Kali Linux that can be used to help users stay anonymous online by rerouting their internet traffic through multiple proxy servers. This makes it difficult for online entities to track a user's real identity and location by masking their original IP address. Proxy chains can also make connections more secure by acting as an intermediary between the source IP and the endpoint IP. Proxy chains works with different protocols, including HTTP, HTTPS, SOX4, and SOX5. It can be set up in multiple ways, such as having proxies go from one to the other in a specific order, or having them randomized. If one proxy is blocked, another can take over. Now that you understand proxy chains, let's discuss their use cases. Proxy chains are often used while penetration testing or red teaming to obfuscate the origin of traffic and make it appear as though it's coming from a different location or IP address. Proxy chain. Change the IP address continuously. Without wasting any time, let's setting our proxy chain. You may have a question that, if we have VPN, then why we use proxy chain? Good question. The answer is, VPN make duplicate IP to hide your real IP, and proxy chains change your IP time to time, so tracker cannot track your IP address. To set up proxy chains, you will first need the Tor service. Most of the time the service is pre-installed. To check if there is Tor service available or not, just use this command. If you get any error after using this command, then it means Tor service is not available in your system. To install Tor service, use this command. Sudo apt-get install Tor. Don't worry, we're not here installing dark web. Tor is a free software program that you load onto your computer like a browser. It hides your IP address every time you send or request data on the internet. The process is layered with heavy-duty encryption, which means your data is layered with privacy protection. Tor installation process is now done. Let's check again the status, what we have. Now, we have a Tor, which already disabled. Switch to the root. We need to configure proxy chains, so we access root already. Now, we are going to open this file and make some changes here. You can choose your favorite editor, but here I'm using Nano Editor. Let's open this file with Nano Editor. Here we are going some changes. Follow these steps. Don't change other thing if you don't know. First changes. By removing hash, we are enabling dynamic chain. Second changes. Type hash before strict chain. Third changes, remove these two hashes for secure DNS data. Fourth and final changes, add SOX5 with this address. our work is done. Ctrl+S to save the file, and then Ctrl+X to exit. Let's start Tor service with help of this command. Then we check Tor service status. Here you can see our service is active. We are ready to use it. Proxy-chain command use for establish the connection, then your browser name, and then in the last right here your favorite search engine. So here is error. During establish the connection, as we learned before, first we need to read the error. Let's restart our device. Let's start the Tor service. The service is now start. Let's see, are we fixed the error? Remember, first exit from root user. Then try this command again to secure our connection. Now, we solve the error. Here our Firefox browser automatically start, and proxy chain error in terminal. Remember, do not close that session during use the for proxy chain, otherwise connection will be suspended. Let's check our address. We change our address successfully. Let's try another website for check IP address. Here you can see, we change our IP address. So we change our IP address successfully. I hope you enjoy this video. If you face any kind of error, let us know in the comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.